Good morning.
Good morning, sir. My name is Leia F. Porquiliano, 33 years old, married. I have 3 kids, 2 boys and only 1 girl. I'm college graduate, took up computer secretarial. My work experience here in the Philippines is taking care of children for 2 years.
2 years. Do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, sir. I have working experience in Hong Kong, sir, for 4 months.
4 months. Okay.
Almost 4 months.
Okay. And when did you go to Hong Kong?
I went in Hong Kong last December 18, 2013 to April 14, 2014.
Okay. And how many are there in the family?
There are 4 members in the family, mom and sir, and the twins.
Okay. And how old were the twins when you arrived there?
Almost 3 years old, sir.
3 years old. Okay. And what are your duties as their domestic helper?
My duties as a domestic helper is washing, cooking, cleaning, ironing, mopping, and especially taking care of babies.
Okay. And you also work here in the Philippines. How many
sir.
years?
2 years, sir.
2 years. Okay. And how many are there in the family?
There are 3 years. There are 3 members in the family. My mom and sir, and the only 1 child.
1 child. And how old is their child?
Their child is 3 years old.
3 years old. Okay.
3 years.
3 years old. Okay. And can you tell me your duties?
My duties is washing, cleaning, mopping, cooking, and ironing, and taking care of children.
Okay. And can you tell me the age of your kids?
My kids are the younger is 3 years old, and the middle is 8 years old, and the elder is 9 years old.
Okay. And who's going to take care of your children when you work in Hong Kong?
My children's taking care of my mother, sir.
Your mother will take care of your children. Okay.
Yes.
And why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong, sir, because I want to give my family a better future.
Okay. Leia, are you willing to take care of dogs and cats?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of big dogs?
Yes, sir.
And can you sing a children's song
Yes,
for
sir.
us? Okay.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay. And what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please select me as your helper, because I am honest, obedient, patient, and hardworking person.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Leia Porquiliano, and I hope to see you in Hong Kong.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.